I know it's hard to find people to fill those roles you want when you want to be a software company. If you want to act like a tech company and be a software company, finding developers and product managers, people with that innovative mindset, I think what you need to realize is that it's hard for all of us. So if you look at the tech industry, we all have a very hard time finding people as well. And we give away free lunches and perks, and we let you wear open-toed shoes. But it's very difficult for us as well. What I see people focusing on is, how do I set up an environment to make the existing people that I have the ones that I want? How do I make sure that they not only have the training and the skills, but also the work environment and the work culture, the process that they follow that allows them to be very good at software? The traditional way of doing software is not very encouraging of people being innovative and product driven. But think about how we in the tech world and other leading companies who are getting good at software, they run their organization, they think about how they do software and how their employees' roles who do software much differently than that command and control way of putting it. It's going to be hard. It's going to be one of your chief things to do as an executive as you're transforming and ongoing. However, there's a great anecdote to kind of make a bit of a parable out of this that I think illustrates this whole point. Now, famously, Adrian Cockcroft, who was at Netflix at the time, he had just given some talk about how great Netflix was and the way that their culture worked, and a Fortune 500 CEO came up to him and said, "That's all great for Netflix, but we are an old staid company and there's no way we could hire those people." And famously, Adrian quipped, "Well, we hired them from you. What you need to do is find out how to create the right environment, how to create the role, and also do some training. And it's a pretty much guaranteed thing that the existing staff that you have will start to become the staff that you've been dreaming of and wanting." Well, if you're interested in that, one of the ways that we at VMware Tanzu help people out is we do a lot of pairing up with the VMware Labs people that we have and your existing staff, and we really help you think about how you reprogram and transform that culture that you have. All the stuff you need to securely and reliably run your custom-written software and write the actual apps, we definitely have in there. But if you want to start talking with some of our Labs people to see what that culture looks like that really grows those people, and also start on that path to modernizing your organization, you can book some free office hours with us and get the ball rolling.